Isa po ako sa maraming empleyado na kung saan araw-araw nakikipagbakbakan for public transport. Thank you Lord, thank you I am worldwide. Commute days ay tapos na. Pero hindi po tayo matatapos sa pagtulong sa ating kapwa na kung saan sila rin ay mababago ang buhay. Dahil naniniwala po ako sa awit 37:4, kay Yahweh mo mahahanap ang kaligayahan at ang pangarap mo ay makakamtan.
I know anything is possible, 'cause I got confidence, my strength is permanent, 'cause I am fearless, 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 'cause I feel confidence, my power's limitless, 'cause I am fearless, 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 'cause I got confidence, I got confidence, I am powerful, I'm invincible, I am strong enough, 'cause I feel confidence, my power's limitless, 'cause I am fearless, 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 'cause I got confidence, I got confidence.
To God be all the glory. My name is Mary Jean Zamora. I am a lion and I am worldwide.
And I find the strength to carry on through.